amazing day in Australia. Today we're making Coke and mentos. Diet Coke and mentos. What this does is when the mentos go into this Diet Coke, it makes a physical reaction to make it go up, and all the fizzing, it will squirt out. Today, let's get into the video.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Zach, stop it. Some Mentos even jumped out. Did you get covered? Zach.
Yummy. Yummy.
Okay, do you want to say goodbye?
Guys.
Yummy.
Guys, if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another video. And it's done. See ya.